Hello, everyone. David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and welcome to the Christmas edition of Huntley Home Makeover. It's been a couple, I don't know when the last one we did was. So we have been plugging away, getting window trim back up. Some of the window trim didn't work, so we've been kind of finding ones that work from other parts of the house to make everything look as uniform as possible. So we got this room done for Christmas, and we got flooring pretty much in. I was able to get this heat vent. It's a weird size, so I actually had to kind of router out the plywood floor to get that to sit flat. We fixed the wall that was there that had the water issues and some pests in there, so that got taken care of. I primed the window, but I haven't done anything else with it yet. Fireplace, it's a mantle from our old house. It doesn't quite fit, so someone gave us an idea of taking the two end pieces that we had, and we're going to wrap them with metal, and then we bought a fireplace insert for that. I have no idea when it's coming, but we got one for it. So we got all the floors. There's a couple places that aren't done yet, but all the floors have been pretty much done. Towards the kitchen, that's where the biggest part. I gotta go in, go out, and then I've gotta get into that closet, and there's another couple jigsaws that goes in that way that I gotta figure out how to cut that through there. But the rest of the floor is done. That fireplace gas, we had it looked at. It actually does work, but now we have to figure out how to gas to it. We were trying to get heat to the shop that we have, and we had a couple people come out and found out that the gas line that goes from the main to that shop, somewhere under the driveway, the gas line's broken. So we isolated. There's a couple different shutoffs, and so we were able to figure out that hey, I think I can. No, I can't. Might be able to, actually. Kind of. There's a shutoff, two shutoffs underneath there. One is for the main. There's another one on the bottom, and there's another one that on a T. So that T is where it comes out, over, and then across the driveway. And then the other main one goes into the house. There's another one that goes out this way, and that's the one that is the gas fireplace for there. So we haven't tested it yet. We're hoping that one doesn't have a leak in it. Otherwise, that'll be a problem. So buying a fireplace for nothing, so we gotta get that tested to make sure it works. What else? Those are the big ones. Painting, fixing drywall. We got the bathroom almost done back in there, but someone's taking a nap, so we won't go back in there. And then, like I said, it's Christmas. It's kind of fun. We just put that up temporarily just to put it up. And then getting the outside, we haven't really done anything aside from getting it ready for next year. We got our swing out there. It got really cold really fast, so we got to get that off of there as soon as it thaws, put the swing back together. Everything's frozen. It's been sub-zero the last couple days. What else? Those are the big updates. Flooring, painting, drywall repairs. Kitchen, I think, was done last time. The counter had an issue with the sink, got that fixed. And those are the updates. So next one will be fireplace. So we'll do one after we get the fireplace going. Once the wood trim's all painted, get this painted, we'll do an update on that. Oh, bathroom upstairs. We had a vanity we got that we're going to change out. And then the floor in there, it's stupid cold, ceramic tile. So we're going to get rid of that ceramic tile and put this kind of floor in, except just a different color. And then put redo the vanity up there because it's just not good. And that'll be the update for now. Hopefully that helps you guys kind of give an update on what we're doing, ways you can improve your house, things you can do. Who knows? Let us know. Painting, wallpaper, the flooring is something new. Hasn't been too bad. I don't know if I want to do it for a career, but it hasn't been bad to do. Again, signing off on our Christmas special. So you guys have a Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you soon. God bless in 2023.